In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Asana effectively. Whether you're managing your own projects or coordinating a team, time tracking can be crucial for transparency and productivity. So let's dive in and learn how to integrate time tracking with Asana. First things first, you're going to need to log in to your Asana account. Whether you prefer using a web browser or the mobile app, simply go ahead and open Asana, then sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the project for which you want to track time. It's important to select the exact project to ensure that the time tracked is allocated correctly. Once you've got your project up, find the specific task that you wish to focus on and click on it. This ensures that any time tracking relates directly to the work you're doing at a more granular level. Now, it's key to note that Asana doesn't come with built-in time tracking capabilities. To address this, you'll need a third-party tool like Harvest, Everhour, Toggle, or Clockify. Such tools integrate seamlessly with Asana, giving you the flexibility to track time efficiently. Make sure you've installed the integration or have the browser extension set up and connected to your Asana workspace. This setup will streamline the process, saving you from unnecessary clicks and ensuring your workflow remains uninterrupted. Once your integrations are in place, you're ready to start tracking time. Open up your chosen time tracking tool either directly inside Asana, through the integration, or via the browser extension. When you begin working on the task at hand, click the Start button. This ensures that every minute you spend working is logged. Sometimes you might need to log hours manually. You can do this within the time tracking tool if auto start stop features aren't available or didn't capture everything accurately. Additionally, you can add notes or details about what you accomplished during this time. These notes can be particularly helpful for reporting and accountability, giving you a clearer picture when reviewing your productivity. Once you're done with your task, don't forget to click Stop. This action concludes your time log and ensures that all data is saved. Typically, the track time will be automatically logged back to the task within Asana or to the dashboard of the integration tool. This is vital for keeping an accurate record of how time was spent. Finally, take a moment to review the track time. You can do this by checking your project dashboard or integration reports. These reports are not just about hours worked. They provide insight into how resources are being utilized across tasks, teams, and projects. Use this data to improve your future project planning and optimize resource allocation. It's a continuous learning process that helps in keeping projects on track and within budget. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tracking time effectively in Asana using third-party integrations.